What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Peter Sunday M, where we talk about tech and everything else. So, you know the title. The title says we're creating a chatbot under 5 minutes. Things we're gonna need a prompt. Oh, we're gonna need ChatGPT, hence the prompt. And we are going to need Visual Studio Code, and we are going to need yeah, that's all about it. It's Visual Studio Code and ChatGPT. That's what we're making it. So I already wrote a prompt here that's going to help us with whatever we are doing. So essentially, I'm telling ChatGPT that I want to make a nice looking UI, a nice looking chatbot. So the chatbot has a UI and it answers building residence questions, and please take me step by step from scratch. You don't oh use and this is very important. I told it doesn't have to give me the code at the time. It doesn't have to give me the code at once. So I'm doing this for someone that's like a beginner, so they need step by step on how to create this code. So I told it not to give me the code at the same time. I am going to post this prompt just to move my name here. So when the code is working on my end, I told ChatGPT that I'm going to say Pila Sande, it is working. In that way, it will know that we have to move to the next code. So it's always important to talk to ChatGPT like you are talking to someone, like a person, and tell it everything that you want to happen. In that way, it could best help you. Like for me, I'm telling it, okay, fine, take me step by step. Assume I do not know how to code. I'll tell you Pilasan is working when it's working on my end. If not, we'll modify it. So let's take this prompt. And you can call yourself a prompt engineer if this thing works out. Okay, let's see what it gives us. Boom, Pilasande, it is working. You can include your own name, guys. Just say it's working, but carefully read the prompt when you are doing it on your end. So it's not doing what I told it to do. Okay, I think it is. Blah 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 blah. Okay, once you have tested it, let me know, and we'll move on to the next step where we will start adding real functionality to chatbots. Okay, fine. It is doing what I wanted to do. So first thing it tells us is set up the project environment, open VS Code, create a folder for your project for your chatbot project. You can name it. Building residence projects. Okay, let's copy the name. Go to VS Code. Oh, I already made one. I remember I already made one that I will be working with. So I don't need to create it. I already have one. I named it what is this? I named it chatbots underscore YouTube. I remember that I did that. Where can I rename this? Okay, please open the new folder and name it this. Set up the basic structure. Insert your project, create an XML blah 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 index file. Okay, let's create this. So mine is not named the building resident chatbot. It's going to be named YouTube. What is this? Chatbot. So now we make boom. What are we making here? XML. So we have, you just copy and paste. It will give you the index XML file that you want. You come here. I take it to just copy the code as is. You go back here. Yeah, this will update later. What does it say? As a beginner, like this is good for beginner, or if you are teaching, it just says okay, insert this, okay, add this following HTML structure. You edit, and it says create an SSS file folder, CSS, I mean. Then go here, come back here, and just say this plus is for F5, guys. Is copy, say enter, it creates it. And you come here, you say copy code, you paste, And what else? I'm going to run it at once, guys, before people start asking. Now we have to create a JavaScript one. See, this you can even use even if you have never coded before. That's why I like ChatGPT. It's efficient. It's efficient, guys, and yeah, but you do need to code. Do need to know how to code, or at least understand the syntax of it, so that when something goes wrong, at least you know how to ask ChatGPT. But this takes out the hassle. This takes out the hassle in everything. So what is this? It's get document.get element ID. Okay, fine. Now it says run the project, open the index.html in your browser by right clicking on the file in VS Code and select open with a live server. If you do not have the extension, you can open it. Okay, by right clicking on the file in VS Code. Okay, right clicking. Okay, let's go to VS Code. We have VS Code. We have this. They want us to open it with, go live with, run with. Okay, already I have it run with live server. They said run with live server, right? Where is it? Live server. Yeah, mine is already going to be open with live server because here is what is it's written. So let me remove this. So we already have this. Okay, this is our chatbot, but we haven't ran the styling. So this is like, okay, the basic structure of the chatbot, ne? Okay, fine. So it shows that already. See, this HTML is working. Let me run this. Run without debugging. Uh, okay. Let me run this. Run. Where is this? Run, blah 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 blah. Run without debugging. I said edge. Let's say edge. So we have everything here. When we have run it, let me make sure everything is proper. No, don't sync anything. Got it. Okay, what's happening? Let me start with this edge. Let's say go live and see. Or let's cancel the first one. Let's cancel the first one. Remove. Come here with our go live. We'll move you. So we run new. Let's run new. But let's see if we say go live. Let's see what happens since we have already run everything. Server is now online. Run the whole thing. Okay, it still doesn't have styling. So what did I do? Oh, maybe this is how it's supposed to be. Let me go look here. Does it have colors? It has color here. As this. Okay, it runs. Everything is as it should. Like, I'm assuming something should be there. Like, I'm assuming, okay. Now this is the basic structure of it. So already here we already know that, okay, fine, it is working. So where we at with ChatGPT? Let me just say Peter Sunday, it's working. And let's see what comes after that. I hope we are under 5 minutes. I did say this, we are going to do it under 5 minutes, but if it's not under 5 minutes, I just change the name, but it has to be under 10. I'm just mumbling a lot. Now we add some logic to handle user questions and basic responses. Open your file, update the code, and include the logic. Okay, copy this. Let's go to, okay, this. Save your JavaScript, refresh your browser, and okay, fine. Let's go to another browser. Let's go to VS Code. Update our, they said logic or styling. What are we updating? They said script.js. Okay, we update our script.js. So sorry guys. Where is VS Code? VS Code script.js. Okay, then we will run this. Let's say control save. Run that debugging. Yeah, let me just leave it like that. Say control save and go back to this. Say go live. What is it that was supposed to happen? Let me check. So refresh your browser and open it by trying to answer a question Okay, let's ask it this question and see. But it shouldn't be this blank. We should go. I should really go to styling and see. The building is open from 8 a.m. to Friday. So already we have like a basic uh chatbots, but we still have to go to styling and make it look good at least. Because right now it's like basic. Let's go back to styling and see if I did everything right. As it said, it didn't give me a heading. Because at least it should tell me like, okay, this is blah 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 blah. Let's name the chatbot. Have a header. Everything in styling is good. It is how it should be. Does it have a header? Header tightly building residence. So I did my nonsense here because something it should appear with the building. Let's look at this. It doesn't appear with the build. Oh, it just says when it opens the chatbot. Okay, fine. Let me go back to and say Peter Sunday is working and see how it uh how it makes it better. How it makes it better. Okay, the basic logic of the chatbot to handle Peter Sunday is working. Let me write this. Peter Sunday is working. So we see what else the chatbot gives us to know. I already showed you how to do it in 5 minutes. It's a working chatbot. Now let's improve. What are you improving? You keep on improving things, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna tell it to improve the styling to make it look good. Okay. Hey man, it's adding a lot of things. All it wants is adding the scroll buttons and things. Okay, let's go to clear the to improve your experience. Let the user press enter and send not then button. Okay, so now we are pressing enter, but it looks bad. That's the other thing I'm concerned about. It looks bad. We go to this. The user will be doing this now. Let's go here. We're under without debugging. Okay, this is useless. We are under 5 minutes. Okay, fine. What's happening here? Say okay, improve the message dialog. Let the style be different of user and the bot. I like that. I like that. And add the scroll automatically. Okay, you do not change anything here. Just make sure it's the code as already implemented. Okay, fine. Let's go to. Okay, I keep on doing my own things. This is the style. Are we adding the style or what are we doing? We are adding chat outputs. So let's the style update the file. Let's go to chat outputs. Where is chat outputs? It's the body. It's the send me your body, your body. See chat outputs. So let's put it here and see what happens. Control S, and we update the browser. See what happens. Okay, let's give it the question. See the outputs. Right, let's see the question, like our question, our template. What are the working hours? Okay, what are the working hours? Perfect. So now it gives us this, but I want it to have a heading and a title. Okay, can we make it look good? Let's go to it. All right, guys, but what we aiming to achieve, we have achieved. We have made a chatbot under 5 minutes. So now we are just enhancing it. We're just enhancing it and adding different things to it that we might like. Let me can oh sure. Can we add a chatbot title? Can we add a title and make the response and question be on the left and right? Okay, let's see how what it tells us here. But basically, what I want to do is to make what is this? Is so what is this? Okay, open the HTML file, add a title inside chat container to serve a code. Okay, now we have we have, let's go to chat container. uh Chat container. Did they say let's go to XML? HTML, yeah. HTML, add title to the server container. Here is how you can do it. Now, like you should have just told me, take this, paste it, nigga. I would have done that. Okay. So this is where we are. We need to add code here. Okay. Hopefully it works. If it crashes, that's not my business. I'm just joking, guys. Okay, where is this? Update your styled format in the update your styled format CSS file and the title, ensure the message aligns correctly using left right. So we are just updating everything. What is happening? Modify your source node so that the user message and the bot response are on different classes. Okay, let's copy this to update it. User chat header. Let's go to this. First thing we have, where is this? This is the start. We have chat header, chat output, chat message, user.message. We have that here. Okay, let's just edit. We edit, control save. What else do we want? They said we should update this. Okay, this should be just updated once. Copy this and we change. Sorry guys. Let's change this so that things are on different classes and stuff. Control S. We go to our browser. We refresh. Perfect. See? Now it's looking good. Now it's looking good. It looks better. It looks better. Let's get our question. Where is our test question? It gave us our test question. Okay, Peter Sunday, it works. It should have been here. Okay, this is hopefully now. Let's just hope it does that left and right thing as we said. Okay, let's hope it does. Let's hope it does. Boom. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So, and that's how you have your chatbots under however minutes I said it was. But this is the chatbot that we have. Initially, it didn't have the header or the title, so it didn't look quite nice. But now we have it. It's our chatbot. It's under however minutes there was. Let me just say 10 minutes. Under 10 minutes, it looks good. You can add whatever you want to do. It also gives you the oh, okay, it's not the date and time. I don't think it will store any the date and time because of enhancements, but this is just a basic chatbot that you could use to add things. Now let's see what it says. It could say we should add questions and stuff. Save your file and refresh the browser. You should have a title and align. Okay, once you have tested and confirmed everything is working, let me know. Peter Sunday is working. We can proceed to enhancement. Okay, let me see what enhancements it says it wants to give us. But we have a chatbot under 5 minutes. Let's see what it is still processing. Let's see what else it does. Enhanced logic. Okay. Now it's talking about including the back end, integrating with the back end, adding NLP just to make the responses much better. So, but you have your thing in 5 minutes, and this shows that if you want to make it like better, if you have your finally project, you can always enhance whatever you have here. You can make use of Python, you can make use of a lot of things to make the front end look good, to make it communicate with the back end, have a lot of questions, have logic. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Peter Sunday M. I gave you what you wanted. It took a lot of time, but yeah, I gave what you wanted. It's Peter Sunday M. Signing out.